Hello viewers, this is Sumarani Purushothaman welcoming you to the story page today. And my topic today is positive thought. You just have a look at the picture, and I have given you the picture of a king and a minister and a shop where they are selling wood, and a gift is being given by the minister to the king. Okay, so this is about this. I am just going to tell you a story about positive thought. Once there lived a king, and as we all know that sometimes they go around their country to find out whether any grievances are there with the citizens of their country. So like that, one day the king will go along with this minister. He'll be moving around like the place, and he will try to find out whether there is any grievances among the people in his country. And when he is passing by one shop where they are selling wood, the king will stop there for a while, and he will tell to the minister that some sort of negative feeling comes to me when I am coming, when I just cross this shop. I feel that like hanging this owner of the shop. Like that, the king will say. And he will be surprised, minister, what is this? In no way the minister or the owner of the shop is connected. How come he is having this negative thoughts about this shop owner? Like that, he'll be wondering. He just wanted to scrutinize and find out the reason behind. Okay, so the next day what the minister will do is he will dress up like an ordinary man, and he will enter into the shop like a customer. Okay, so he will enter into that shop where this man is selling all costly teak wood, and lot of sandalwood will be there. Very good smell that will come into him when he entered the shop itself. So that proved his quality. Okay, so he enters into the shop, and he will be asking like how his business is and all about. And the shopkeeper will say, what to do, sir? I have very good quality wood with me, especially huge quantity of sandal logs I have with me. Just to see, like that, he will give him some sample also that will really smell very good smell he will get. And he will be so happy. And then he will ask, then why you are so sad? You have all quality goods, people will be coming and buying with you. Then the shop owner will say, no sir, nobody, very few people only are coming. I think if the king dies, many people will come to me, because he will be like when the last rites happening, he will be burned with the sandalwood only, is it not? So he will say, if the king dies, I think I will get lot of customers. They will come and buy huge quantity of sandal logs. Like that, he will say. Now the minister will understand, because this man is having negative thought towards the king. The same way it has returned back to him, the king also has got that negative thought. Though no way they are related, that is how that negative thought comes across people. So that is the reason he will think. Then after that, the next day he will go with that sandal piece of wood, and he will meet the king, and he will tell the king, this man, the shopkeeper whom you wanted to hang, he gave me this sandalwood as a gift for you. He will just smell it, he will be so happy, pleasant smell he will get. So he will say, oh, he is such a good person. Okay, then we need not hanging. Like that, the king will say. And then he will give lot of like gold coins to be gifted to him. Then this that a gold coin will be given back to him. So what I'm trying to tell you is, when you have positivity inside you, then everything will look positive. But when you have negative thought inside your mind, everything will that feel will come to you. Everything you will feel as negative only. So do not have that negative thought in you. And if you have positive thought, so much of favor will come back to you. Like how the king is giving him lot of gold coins, like that you will get lot. That is what is called as your karma. So please think good, and do good for others. Definitely we will also be good in our life. With this, I think I'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you, friends.